Since then, I've been investing, I would say. Not really trading, but investing.
Okay, so
my profile is more of an investor.
An investor. Okay. So first buy of Jollibee, what price, what area you bought it?
100 something.
Hey guys, I just landed here in Melbourne, Australia, just one day away from Stock Smarts Melbourne, happening tomorrow. So if you guys are from the area, I hope to see you, and I hope you guys learn a lot from trading and investing in the stock market as well. Now, I want to feature someone who is not new to this vlog series. Now, she was there when we did a video in Singapore, but she was one of our attendees also in Dubai, but she's now here in Melbourne. She's helping making the event possible as well. So let's hear from her story and how she is actually investing in the market. So I'd like you to meet Karen Abellanosa or Nopia again. So
we
hello.
meet again, Marvin.
Yeah,
hello everyone. Welcome to Melbourne. This time you're all in Melbourne.
Yeah. So if for those who watched the video, no, I created a video with her in Singapore where we talked about her being retired in her early 30s. In her early 30s naman. Now let's explore the stock market aspect of how she does of how she trades as well. So Karen, first stock you ever bought?
Jollibee.
Jollibee, talaga?
Yes, that was the time when we met Mar with our first Stock Smarts.
Okay.
Yes, so I got really interested because we met Marvin all because we wanted to learn about stock market, me and my friends, and then we had this chance, and it's really been an honor to organize for Marvin in the UAE, Stock Smarts Dubai, and since then I've been investing, I would say, not really trading but investing.
Okay, so
my profile is more of an investor.
An investor. Okay. So first buy of Jollibee, what price, what area you bought it?
100 something? 150?
150. Pero binenta mo na yun, hawak mo pa rin?
Hindi, hawak ko pa rin.
Hawak pa rin. So, did you ever add to it or hindi na?
Yes, over the years, we tried yung peso cost averaging, we tried to put in every month, and then as we go along, learning more from Marvin, nag-iba din yung mga strategies. So, we tried to apply yung sinasabi mo na just keep the money, put it every month, but then when you see the stocks or the price is down and it's a good cheaper to buy, then we put everything at one go. Yan. So nag-iba-iba din yung strategy.
So parang may halong fundamentals na yun.
Yes, yes.
So, ano yun?
Well, I would say now we're really learning a lot from you.
Ganun ba? Now, next question. You said you're really into investing lang.
More of. I try to do trading.
So you're trading
when I stop flying na.
So for those who don't know, Karen used to work for Emirates, but she retired from Dubai to Melbourne. Oh naman.
I don't wanna say retired.
Yung mga ginagawa mo, pinapangarap ng madaming tao. Anyways, you started to trade. What was your worst trading mistake so far?
Hype pa rin, hype.
Oh, pero,
if you try to listen to others, and kasi I always try to double check sa charts, and then sometimes you get too lazy and you just hear all the noise. You would say, oh sige, I'll buy na lang. And then it's all about hype naman pala. So now I have learned, I try to check the chart.
Okay.
And then I see na hindi naman pala worth it tong stock na to.
So when,
from there,
nung na-hype ka, did you lose an amount of money? Percentage also? Biggest loss doon?
Siguro, mga 10%. And then I cut
so you cut loss kagad. So at least you're the type of investor, pag nagkamali, you admit it and you just cut your losses na lang.
Kasi you always tell us, no emotions, you just read the charts. So at the time, I would say it's really a different feeling yung investor ka lang and then you try to do trading. Kasi iba siya, iba yung feeling. Kasi akala ko joke mo lang yung dati na when you have the money already na tinitrade mo. Iba pala yung meron na talaga. Tapos, you have this yung emotion. But then, I always remember what you said na, just look at the charts. If it's telling you to sell, buy. Just buy.
Okay. So you lost 10% naman. Next question. When you started trading, did you start making money naman also?
Yes, I think the highest for me was 30%. That's what
Okay,
I've
so
told you.
parang you bought at support, sold at resistance.
Yes.
More so. So you have to remember, pag trading, there's so many styles. Yung mga people who buy at the reversal, people who buy at the breakout, people who buy at uptrends, people who sell or avoid downtrends. Karen naman, her style is buy at as close as you can to the support, then you sell it at the resistance already. So, ayun, different techniques and different styles. So for her, she got that type of gain dun naman sa stock na yun. So, paano to? How did you do it na you're investing pero you're trading? Possible ba siya na pagsasabay?
We opened 2 different accounts.
Okay.
So, 2 different accounts. Diba? We learn from you again. Because I was thinking, how would you do that? So, we tried to do 1 account for investing, purely for investing, different stocks naman, and then I tried to do 1 or 2 lang for trading on a different account kasi baka pagalitan ako ng husband ko. So I opened a specific account para ma-practice ko siya. Yes,
okay,
yes.
galing.
Because I think it's better that you just do it and you learn, you practice, and then you will learn even more kesa okay, you read the book, you read all the theories, and then it's totally different when you apply it. Yun ang na-experience ko, Mar.
Okay, so what's the feeling right now naman that you're not working anymore? You have your time to yourself na pwede ka mag-trade, and for those who watched the previous video, she does a lot of online I guess initiatives na marketing related as well. So wala ka ng fixed job, wala na 8 to 5.
Unemployed.
What does it feel?
Masarap yung feeling, Mar. As what I've said, yung family kasi, more time with family, and then you get to think a lot. You have more time to think. I would say you get more creative, and also sa mga learnings mo, I get to see more videos now. Kasi dati parang work, and then
Sana pinapanood mo yung videos ko parang
so you get to explore more, and you get to master your craft. I'm thankful naman na hobby is very supportive, so sa mga ginagawa ko, kaya siguro nagagawa ko to lahat ng to.
Okay. So now you have your own time, very fulfilling ba in your end na
Yes, of course.
You don't need to work.
Hindi naman na I don't need to work, but at least I get to do what I really want to do. I get to enjoy. It's not that I don't enjoy. I didn't enjoy flying, but then you have more time na kung nagawin ko anong gusto mong gawin. You get to explore other things na yung mga bagay na gusto mo i-try.
Okay, so trading, doing online things, and then having the time to parang just do the things that you want. So what's next? Anong next initiative that you plan to do as well?
I try to learn more about real estate, rental properties, passive income with real estate. Kasi baka in the next year or 2 years from now, I have to learn more about Airbnb, all these things. More entrepreneurial ventures din.
Okay, last na lang. Hindi pa to last, pero
Hindi pa to Grabe!
So, what's your message naman to Filipinos who are abroad that are probably employed right now pero hesitant to start investing?
Siguro I can advise them to do what I did before when I started out with working as an OFW in Dubai. Simplify your hobbies, hindi naman but you try to simplify your means, save as much as you can kasi it's not forever you only have 10 to 15 years na average lifespan, working span as an OFW, and if you're not in your prime years anymore, it's hard to to take the time back. So by the time na konti pa lang yung sweldo mo, if you can save na konti pa lang yung sweldo mo, how much more pag malaki na yung sweldo mo. Okay, and you maintain your lifestyle na simple lang, and then you get to yung hindi masyadong maluho. Ganon. So, and then you get to reap naman what you saw after 2 years.
Right. Last, what if you have, for example, yung stock mo, for example, may double dragon ka, 200 pesos siya, and then you now have 10 million pesos extra on top of savings, investments, pambibigay sa family, everything, sobrang 10 million.
Grabe.
What will you do with it?
Parang ikaw lang yun, Mar.
Huh?
Oo nga. 10 million lang na. For extra, I think I would probably support sino yung mga close to me when it comes to yung hindi nakaka-afford to study, or we try to put more into naman yung mga charity or foundation or mga social clubs like nang ginagawa namin sa Dubai.
Right naman, pero 10 million, anong gagawin mo naman for yourself na luho?
Naluho sa money na yon. Travel.
Okay.
Travel with hobby, oo. So, kasi ang dami pang hindi na napupuntahan eh. So, yun lang siguro. Norway or
Norway, oh my God! Alam niyo na guys, gano'ng mayaman mga Norway, di ba? Yung mga like as Tagaytay crowd tayo pag Norway, ibang klaseng echelon of
kung si Marvin
investing.
nag-Iceland eh. Hindi naman. Pero those places na malayo sa Pilipinas, kasi syempre you always go back to Philippines and enjoy your island, yung Palawan, mga, di ba? Boracay. So, oo. Pero for now, travel talaga siguro. More than luho or...
Okay. So that's it guys, indoor shot kasi umuulan na basa yung camera. But we're here in Melbourne, a few hours na lang before we have Stock Smarts here. So see you all, and she'll be there also tomorrow. So that's it. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. Bye everyone!
Bye!